All right, so let's move in here. We're going to update our Spring Security configuration to use JDBC. I'll swing back into my IDE. I'll move into my code here and I'll open up Demo Security Config. Let me expand my window here for a second. And what I like to do is comment out the code where we hard code the users. We don't want to use this anymore. So I'm just going to comment it out and I'll just kind of move it to the end of this file. Let's just comment out this entire method. And then let's go ahead and move this code to the end of our class. So I'll just do a little cut and paste exercise. All right, so we did a cut, and now let's move down here and paste it. And again, I'm just kind of moving it out of the way. I didn't want to delete it, but I just wanted to comment it out just so it's not being executed anymore. And then I'll also move up top and I'll fix my imports. All right, so now I can get down to work. I'll write a quick comment to myself. Here we'll add support for JDBC and no more hard-coded users. I'll create a bean that returns a user details manager. Define the method user details manager that takes a data source. So basically we're going to inject the data source, and this is the data source that's auto-configured by Spring Boot. And I'll kind of slide things up a bit. And now I'll create this new JDBC user details manager, and I pass in the data source. And again, this tells Spring Security to use JDBC Authentication with our data source. And then Spring Security knows that it's using a predefined table schema. So Spring Security will look in a table called users and another table called rows. It knows the exact column names that it'll use. That's kind of just built in out of the box. And then stepping back here, the nice thing about using this JDBC User Details Manager is that we're no longer hard coding the users. All the information is stored in the database. I love it. Alrighty, so let's kind of swing out here and let's run our application and test it out. Our app is up and running. Let's go ahead and swing over into Postman. And I'll go ahead and create a new request. So this will be a new GET request. And I'll simply just do the GET on /API/employees. And I'll go through under authorization. I'll choose basic auth, and then I will add the user information. So username of John, password test123. I show it just to kind of make sure I'm on track. Hit send, and this is successful.